Preparation of aniline from benzenediazonium chloride. Let's see the reaction. Benzenediazonium chloride, which is colorless crystalline solid. When benzenediazonium chloride is reduced by zinc and concentrated hydrochloric acid or lithium aluminum hydride, then benzenediazonium chloride converts to an intermediate product phenylhydrazine, which on further reduction converts to aniline. This is the reaction by which benzenediazonium chloride is converted to aniline. Here, this is intermediate product phenylhydrazine. This is a hydrazine. This is also known as diamine. This is called diazene as well. When from this hydrazine, one hydrogen atom is replaced by phenyl group, then phenylhydrazine is formed. So simply, from benzenediazonium chloride, aniline is produced by the reducing agent zinc and concentrated hydrochloric acid or lithium aluminum hydride. This is about production of aniline from benzenediazonium chloride. Thank you very much.